What's going on, friends? Welcome back to my channel. This is the new shoes coming from factory. So I'll show you a quick look. This is the new color of Nike SB Dunk Low. So let's come to the details of this one. For more information, you can also check on my web link. Okay, let's come to the shoes. You can look the tailbacks here. You can look the shape is really good. And the color on the upper, you can look, this is the sweat, it's the blue one. Around the sweat, the blue color, you can look have the letters around all of here. So you can check it. So it's very special of this one. And also got the blue Nike shoes. This is the double one. Underneath is the black one, and upper one is the blue. This is another kind texture. And the white color also is the temple leather. The white midsole. And the bottom is the black one. Got the Nike shoes. And on the midsole here, got the blue stitch in there. And the front here, you can look embroidered Nike shoes, and the hose is the classical for Nike Dunk Low. And the body laces with the white and the blue color, you can look a very special design of this one. And on the top of the Nike, the top of the shoe tom here, got the logo here. You can check out. And this color is the blue. Is the another kind texture. And the side here, you can look got 42. And check it in the side here is the same. And then look the back side of the back side here. On the top got the Nike. So this is the silver color here. So you can look how good workmanship. And also got another extra laces. It's the blue one. And the lace back got the Nike logo. It's very good. And including the shoe part also is the blue one. And the print the letters on the whole on the whole shoe point. Okay, so now let me show this one on foot. Please hold on. Okay, so that's all for my today's review here. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Goodbye.